Look what I received from Therapy Clean. It's a wood and cabinet cleaner and polish with essential oils too. And it just smells fantastic. They also give you this big microfiber cloth, and look how big this is. So perfect and ideal. And it is so easy to use. All you have to do is shake it up, and then you just pour it right onto your cloth. So there you go. And then you just start polishing it away. And it also has such a nice flavor. It smells like almonds, and it leaves it nice shine, and absolutely love it. And this is great for kitchen tables as well as cabinets too. Also furniture as well. So if you have some wood furniture, some end tables, your coffee table, this would work fine for that as well. And ta-da! It is nice and clean and polished. Wow, do you see that shine? You really do see the difference, right? Look at that shine. So definitely recommend this. Let me show you a close-up of what the bottle looks like. Here's a close-up of the bottle, and this also nourishes and protects too. I definitely love this wood cleaner, and it just smells fantastic too. And look at that shine. Really protects too. Thank you, Therapy Clean, for sending me this. Absolutely love it. And hope you found this video helpful, everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.